You're probably wondering how all these beautiful people are having such a wonderful time in the great outdoors. The answer? They put all their gear in a SkyBox. Hey, it's Scott here from Yakima to get you up close and personal with the cargo box that can carry just about anything. Here's a problem. More gear than room in your car. This is where the SkyBox comes in. The SkyBox is a versatile cargo carrier that comes in multiple shapes, sizes, and colors. We're sure to have a size that's just right for your gear and your vehicle. Out of the box, it's still a box, but there's nothing to assemble. Simply open the lid, release the levers, and loosen the thumb wheels. Then lift this lifesaver on top of your crossbars and slide until the clamps engage the bars. The universal mounts fit Yakima round, square, factory, and aerodynamic crossbars. Once the SkyBox is in place, tighten the thumb wheels and close the levers to firmly secure the box to the crossbars. You're done. That's a pro installation right there. This is super light, but also super sturdy. Lid stiffeners reinforce the shape and keep the box aerodynamic on the highway. You can open the box from either side of the car for easy access and loading anywhere. The SkyBox is a multi-purpose hauler. Load your camping stuff. Bulky baby stroller? Put it in the SkyBox. Golf clubs? SkyBox is your caddy. And skis and snowboards fit easily. The premium metal super latch handles keep your gear secure and ensure you'll never lock your keys inside. The keys don't release from the lock until you've properly closed the box. If you have other Yakima gear, check out our SKS Same Key system. It replaces all your lock cores, so you only need one key for everything. Look at that! With the SkyBox, you now have more room for friends and a whole other load of their, let's go with valuables. Tons of gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.